Hello boys, girls, monkeys and squirrels, and welcome back to another episode of Fireworks Mania. And basically it's rinse and repeat, except this time we have a bit of a kick to it. We're just gonna do stupid crap. And if you wanna know where I got that intro from, the boys, girls, monkeys and squirrels, that was from my old school bus driver. Cool guy. So yeah, we're just gonna start firing crap into the city. Go. You suck. Go. Ah. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Jesus. Okay. What the hell? Oh my God. Oh my, okay. So the video's already started off and we've nuked the city. What the hell is happening? Oh my God, the frame rate is horrible. Well, that was completely unexpected. Oh, that's a dumpster. Okay, are we done? Okay. Jesus. Was not expecting that to happen. Does it really now? So, yeah, here we are again. Doing stupid crap and finding G fighting, but you know the deal. Oh my God. Well, I have an idea. Let it rain Tims. Now I need something to set it off, not the nuke. I've no clue how that nuke got there. That's not gonna set them all off. I might have been wrong. Avert your eyes. Oh my God. Am I blind? Oh. I thought the game was gonna crash there. It sounded like a weird Isuzu idol or something like that. Oh my God. Oh my god, there's so many Tims. Okay, we're doing our Nokia gameplay of Cyberpunk right here. I'm blind. Oh my. Oh my god, is it done? How are the birds still here? Also, how is the city not crumbled like a crouton after being blown up by 45,000 Tims and apparently one single nuke? Go. Wow. Well, so that was fun. So yeah, some stuff happened, it seems. Definitely. Now I have a proposition. This is a death wish right here. Grenade. Dynamite. If you don't talk about the farta later. That's Brazilian moment right there, though. Oh, God. But the police might show up. Is that so? Oh boy. How do you still work? I don't know. Is the man's favorite store dead? Okay, let's find out. What if I just walk around town just doing this? Just kinda yada yada da. I just walk around, do stuff, you know, just sprinkle it down here. Sprinkle it basically everywhere you can on the fire escapes. Of course you have to put all of this in pipe work. Why wouldn't you, right? Just douse it in it. Oh my god. I mean, what's this gonna do, to be honest? It's San Francisco earthquake 2.0. Oh wait, that was it? It's like getting a shot. It's like nothing. Oh wait, no. I was wrong. Okay. Here, I have a solution to clean up all of this. Oh my god. I could literally die just from drinking that entire thing. Oh my god. Follow the trail! Eventually X marks the spot. Really? Couldn't go the full distance and really just go. Whoa, cleaning up the streets. Just let it rain, doom boom. Just kind of let it fall where it wants to. It's no longer panic in the streets of London, it's panic in the streets of whatever this is. Well, I think I just wiped a city block off the map. Guess you can do some budget cuts now for the subway lines. Wow, that was fun. Hold on. Is this as far as it goes? Oh, it goes further. Hold on. I have a very, very interesting idea. It's raining propane. Hallelujah, it's raining propane. Amen. Oh. Whoa, okay, I sent it to space. Boom. I guess he beat Elon Mars. Elon Mars. Elon Mars! Everybody? Everybody? Everybody. Okay. Okay. If anyone got to this part in the video, please leave a comment saying Elon Mars. That's gonna be the, that is going to be the predecessor to Elon Musk. But what I was gonna say is she got to Mars before Elon could. This is amazing, dude. I've made up a new person simply by just acting stupid. I'm Elon Mars. Oh my god, there's so much propane. Watch this. Boom. Boom. It's just raining propane all over the city. Uh-oh. It's like I'm drawing with propane in the sky. It's like, you know, planes can do that, but I guess propane tanks or propane canisters can too. I don't even know what's happening the block over. Uh-oh! Just watch hell break loose. my god, is it done? Holy crap, it is. That is a horrible sound. It is raining cats. It's a security alarm. Exactly, it's home security. Security alarm. Yeah, sure. Oh my god. 2 giant mounds of cat. Okay. Oh my god, that is so bright! It's a glowing mass of death! Wait. Uh-oh! I just like just tossing small balls everywhere. Small balls? Small balls. Yes, small balls. Can I make this fire escape fall? With time. I need more small balls. Don't have enough. Ow. My god, there's cats flying everywhere. To that a little delayed, but hey, what the hell? Oh no! Hang on a second. Is that the town hall that's from Back to the Future? I swear it feels like it just doesn't at the same time. Yeah, do you feel accomplished of yourself? Now I have an idea. Take Tim, go like this. He might go. Well, I was about to say that the game might go. Oh, it's fine. Literally nothing happened. I told you, see? Okay, just have a few Tims. Get this started. If it doesn't go, then I'll be ashamed. No, Tim, you're not supposed to. Tim. God damn it, Tim. Disperse the. Damn! Was that doom move from earlier? I swear to God. I swear to God. Swear to God. Yes, swear to God. Oh God, the cats are starting again. Oh God. A chemical agent's been deployed on the city. Oh God. They're noxious fumes. Oh God. Very interesting. I'll tell you, this video's probably already been very interesting so far. Nothing here. But yeah, what if I just put these in here? These annoying little things. By the way, this is about to get very loud. Maybe. Or very annoying, rather. Jesus! Okay. I think we're done. What the hell's the Mikola candle? Up. Okay, you kind of suck. Okay. Now if we just put a crap ton in here. This is the moment when I realized I think I regretted doing this. Like, severely regretted doing this. Like, that's almost an entire pipe just filled, or the cutout area for the pipes. That's just full of this stuff. Oh, I don't want to be in there. It looks like asbestos. Oh, not as much. Oh, actually, kind of. Or that sad fake snow. Oh, I think the hole is lighting up. You done? Okay, most of you guys are done. Besides that one. Yo, I got a rhythm going. Okay. You guys done? Yep. Wait, no. Friend. You're going to be my friend. No! Is there one that survived the blast? No. Okay. You are going to be my new friend. Yeah, I have a friend now. Okay. A snake launcher. No, thank you. I just keep clicking on it. I don't mean to. No! I've always wanted to know what happens if you have like 20,000 metric tons of ladyfingers. Does it have a magnitude or explosion of the size of a magnitude 10 earthquake or something? I don't know why I said magnitude previously without giving more context. It's just, I guess my brain isn't fully working yet. Is it like an outlet just shorted out or something? Really? Okay, stay there. We're gonna do something very risky. Okay, go in. Oh! I'm a ghost. What? There's a few left, but yeah. Okay, let's set you over here. We'll get male toes. Like we mailing toes or dumb. That thing sounds like it's struggling here. Okay, we're gonna need an instigator here. You. Oh god, the green goblin's attacking! Or it's a random security car with very bright green lights. Maybe, I don't know. What's snapper red? Oh, that was an instigator. Oh, yep. Wasn't too eventful. There's one here. I want to know what that one is. I don't have it, so... Shogun. Oh, it's a Japanese thing. Forgot about that, the Shogun. Tending to try and not forget some of my old history I learned. 9th grade, disgusting. Oh my god, that sounds like dying birds. That propane tank might explode soon. Okay, that's a horrible sound. I can't listen to that anymore. Oh my god! Oh, why is that so loud? Sounds like dying birds. You done? Oh, we're not done. Okay, now you're done. done? Sometimes the propane tank does a good job, other times it doesn't. And other times it just doesn't give a crap at all, so it doesn't do jack crap. Do I need to sprinkle propane over the city again? I think I do. Well, that worked like a charm, didn't it? Whoa, okay. I don't want to have my hands on you. You just caused an explosion, my friend. I mean, I caused many explosions, but let's be honest. What's the Mo stick? I thought this said Mio stick, and I was about to say, hold on a second. Santa was here. How about a crap ton of Santa was here? No! How are you so bad at failing simple tasks? Great, now someone's condo's on fire. From your stupidity. Wait, was that the roof of the gas station that went over the map? I swear it was. It has to be. Or had to be. Okay, let's do something else again. Can I put Doom Boom on top of that building? Oh my god, it is raining Doom Boom! You know you are a damned man when it begins raining Doom Boom. Maybe you can go up there and have Tim clean it up. What do you say, Tim? There, that's the spirit. Go get him, sport! Oh, that's not what I wanted you to do. Okay, I'm gonna point you up there. Go! Perfect timing! Oh crap! Okay. Timing was perfect. How did this not explode? Quite frankly, I'm not too sure though. Oh! You really suck, Carl's son. Tim is really the man. He does that. And then he'll disperse it. Well, that was violent. Well then, moving on from that one. Screaming pal. You look like a candle. Did it just fly away? No. Yeah, they do fly! Wow, that was actually kind of entertaining. Ish. More or less. I love cock and rule. Not cock and rule. I haven't really tried out the cakes before. Whoa! That went south real fast! Holy crap! Whoa. Okay, let's try 2022. Time more or less to learn my lesson. Beehive. Just throw everything in here. That's a strange noise. Fat Bill. You just look like a paint sample from Lowe's. Hurry up, I'm trying to. Well, wasn't that just explosive? I think this is how I'll end off the video. You done? Okay. Well, I just want to thank you guys for watching this, and definitely really wanted to say thank you for supporting the content. Funny thing is, me blowing up the sky is getting me some good views, so I'm very glad. I'm very thankful for your guys' support. It means quite a lot. I know my BeamNG didn't get much, but you know, Fireworks Mania is definitely a bigger thing for sure than BeamNG Drive. I mean, yeah, BeamNG has explosions, but it's not like you're lighting up the sky and creating a hole in the ozone layer. So let's be 100% honest. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys again, because really means a lot. And yeah, and I'm also very sorry I didn't upload yesterday. I was a little busy. I'm working on a project with a friend, so that's kind of the reason why I've been a little kind of inconsistent this weekend. So maybe later I might record, because it's only almost like 12 right now. Well, it's actually it's 1. It's like 1:30ish, so I still have a bit of time. But I don't know if I'm gonna upload twice in the same day. I mean, I might, just to fulfill that 2 uploads in the weekend, because I didn't yesterday, and I was going to on Friday, but I was a little busy, and then last night I had to go do some event things, so I wasn't too fond of that, because I wanted to blow the sky up, but they didn't let me. So, but yeah, I just like to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and helpful tip of advice: don't create a hole in the sidewalk. It just results in bad things. Yep.